Object to picture matching. Matching 3D objects to pictures is a great way to introduce new and exciting vocabulary with auditory, visual, and tactile components. It also enhances children's visual discrimination skills and reinforces doing activities from left to right, which are important skills for pre-reading children. Here's how to do this type of activity.
This is an eagle. This is a raccoon. This is a grasshopper. Can you show me the eagle? Yes, that's the eagle. Can you show me the raccoon? Yes, this is a raccoon. Can you show me the grasshopper? Yes, this is the grasshopper. What is this? Yes, that's an eagle.
By the way, this technique is called the 3-period lesson. It starts with you naming the objects, then asking the child to identify objects by name, and finally, asking the child to remember the names of the objects. This is a hallmark of the Montessori educational method that helps children learn vocabulary and concepts in a scaffolded way. If the child doesn't answer correctly, don't correct them. Just state what it is that they've selected and repeat your request. Next, take out the picture cards and name each one. Take a card and scan from left to right to find the corresponding object. Repeat until all are complete. After your child is confident using the vocabulary, offer them a chance to lay out the objects and picture cards to do matching by themselves. Gradually increase the difficulty by introducing more objects and cards. I made this set of cards at home, although you can also use flashcards or pictures you print out from the internet. Here's how I made my cards. First, you have to select your set of objects. For this video, I used a set of tube animals. This specific set is called In the Woods, and I chose it because we live by some woods and see a lot of these animals frequently. Because my toddler is older, I used realistic pictures from the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service website and Wikipedia that show the full-bodied animals and their natural habitats. I inserted them into this template.
Pictures that were free for commercial use with attribution.
I printed, cut out, and pasted the pictures onto green cardstock. Green is the color I'm using for my science and nature themed cards. I chose to laminate my cards since I plan to use them for a long time, but you can skip this option if you're trying to be plastic free or if you're concerned about creating plastic waste. I know I would like to find an alternative to lamination. Maybe using a set of baseball card sleeves and switching out the paper cards inside would work. If you have any ideas for how to avoid lamination, please feel free to share in the comments. The font I've used is called Montessori script, and I'll link to it in the description below. I want to say that object-to-picture matching cards for toddlers don't typically have words on them, since most toddlers don't know how to read, and the words can distract from the matching task, but I'm planning to use these with my older child too, so I've chosen to include the words instead of making 2 sets. Here is a 2.5-year-old using the cards and objects.
This is a bison? That's a bison, yes.
Mama, that is a bison? I have a picture?
Mm-hmm, in the picture that's a bison.
Naturally, a lot of toddlers are going to be really curious about what they see, so don't be shy about sitting down and using these objects as the focus of some conversation.
This is lion?
That's beaver.
A beaver. Mama, what's a beaver? This is a snake. Mama, where's the snake go?
Snake slithers on the ground.
Snake. Mama, where's the eagle?
Where's the eagle?
Where's the deer?
That's a deer.
Mama, what's this animal?
That's a snake.
The snake could go away. Where's the snake one?
Yeah. Do you see the snake?
I see it has a snake.
Here's the snake.
Hopefully this video gave you some inspiration and some rough ideas about how to do this activity at home. If you have anything to share, including tips, tricks, or even just questions, please feel free to write them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and click the bell for notifications.